What's the meaning of caged? Caged. Caged.
Caged. Caged. The term caged typically refers to being confined or trapped, often in a physical sense. It can also be used metaphorically to describe feeling restricted or limited in one's freedom or opportunities. Being caged can have a range of negative effects on an individual, including feelings of isolation, frustration, and even physical and mental decline. Humans are social creatures, and being locked away from society can lead to a range of issues, such as poor mental health, decreased physical fitness, and difficulties in forming and maintaining relationships with others. Overall, being caged is a highly undesirable state that can have significant negative impacts on a person's well-being.